County, northwestern New Jersey.
Northwestern Mercer County, southwestern Somerset County, northeastern Knox County,
Bro, what the heck?
eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:32 p.m.
Dude, come on!
A severe thunderstorm was located over Eaglesville, 8 miles south of Easton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Some additional thunderstorms are occurring ahead of this one.
Uh-oh.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible.
Goodness.
Locations impacted include Somerville, Bridgewater, Ewing, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Mandel, Durham, Clement, Pennington, New Hope, Alpha, Hopewell.
Wait, WXL39?
Hopewell, Ferndale, from ground lightning is occurring with this. Remember, on the lowest floor of the building, you are close enough to be struck by lightning winds. Frequent clouds of ground lightning is occurring with this storm until 5:15 p.m. for all counties. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. In Northampton.
It was on WXM60, bro. I just forgot.
Islands and Northern County nautical